Let's look at how to find hexadecimal codes for colors right inside of Illustrator. So I have this really beautiful sunset that I want to pick a color from to add it to my web page. I'm going to plop this right down on top of the Illustrator interface, and then I'm going to zoom out a bit. Now, there's a couple ways you can zoom out. You can come down here to the lower left-hand corner and you can tell it to fit on screen, which is just fine. But it doesn't give you all of the image because the image sits off of our canvas. Let me show you how to get there. Now, if you're on a Mac, hold down Command. If you're on a PC, hold down Control and then hit minus. Okay, so Command minus or Control minus. And that's going to help you zoom out to see the entire part of the image here. Click on your image and then you get the little drag handles all the way around it. Hold down Shift and then come click on one of the corners. Holding down Shift constrains the aspect ratio, which is the width versus the height of your image. If you didn't hold it down, it would start looking like this, which is not good. Okay, let me undo that. You don't want to squish it any direction. So I'm going to hold down Shift and just move it a little bit more. That looks pretty good. It's okay if a little bit of white is showing for our purposes today because we're not going to be creating a graphic about this. We're just going to get some colors. Now, I'm going to zoom back in and I'm going to hit Command plus to enlarge or Control plus if you're on the Windows. Okay, now I have to select my colors. So come over to the left-hand side of your screen and I want you to click on the eyedropper tool. Then come over and let's grab a beautiful turquoise. When I click, you'll notice that this color updates. Okay? And find one that you really like. You could even try an orange or a yummy yellow. It's all good to me. I'm going to stick with orange, I think. That looks like fun. Now that you have your color selected, double click on it. This will take you to the color picker. The color picker is a place where you can change different colors by clicking on it. That's fine. I'm going to leave mine set on this nice orange. The hexadecimal code is provided right down here. Now, a hexagon has 6 sides, right? So a hexadecimal code has 6 numbers or letters. This is my hexadecimal code right here. I'm going to hit Command C or Control C if you're on Windows. I'm on a Mac, so I'm hitting Command C. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go paste it in my code. I want to change my paragraph, so I'm going to make that color into that beautiful hexadecimal code. I'm going to hit Control V on a Windows or Command V on a Mac to paste it. The last thing that I need here is my Octothorpe. That's the actual name, but it looks like a hashtag, right? I know you guys are used to calling it hashtags. So that is how you grab any kind of hexadecimal code, which means a 6-digit code, and pop it into your code. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that.